In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Google Docs, whether you're troubleshooting an extra blank page or simply clearing out unwanted text. This guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. To start off, open your Google Docs document. Carefully navigate to the page that you want to remove. It's essential to make sure you're on the correct page, especially if your document is lengthy. Unwanted deletions can disrupt your document structure, so you want to avoid that. Once you're on the desired page, you're going to click and hold your mouse at the beginning of your page's content. Then, smoothly drag your cursor down and across until all the text on that page is highlighted. This action selects everything that needs to be deleted. If your page contains images or other non-text elements, remember they too can be included in this selection. This step is crucial because ensuring everything is selected means nothing will be left behind when you delete. With your text highlighted, turn your attention to your keyboard. You'll now press either the backspace key or the delete key. It doesn't matter which one you choose, both will serve the same purpose here. As soon as you hit that key, you'll notice that the highlighted text will disappear. If you've selected all the contents of the page, the entire page should now vanish along with the text. In most cases, your page will automatically disappear once the content is deleted. However, if you find that a blank page still lingers, don't be discouraged. This can happen if the page was inserted as a part of a document's formatting. What you can do here is move the cursor at the very bottom of the previous page, just before the page you wanted to remove. Hit backspace or delete again, and the blank page should then disappear. This method efficiently clears out a page in Google Docs, and it's incredibly simple once you've done it a time or two. It's all about making sure you've got everything selected and ensuring no hidden formatting remains. Remember, practice makes perfect. Familiarizing yourself with the process will enable you to handle unwanted pages swiftly in the future. And there you have it, the simple steps to eliminate an extra page in your Google Doc. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tech tips and tricks.